Maryland was just now in a state of emergency because of the snowstorms.
I've signed an executive order declaring a state of emergency inside the state of Maryland.
So basically what I'm gonna be doing is showing you guys, you know, how it's looking. Trying to get this car out of the snow. This is Aberdeen, Maryland. Everybody's trying to clear out their cars. You can see the tractor trailers trying to clear out the roads and the sidewalks because they got to get the kids ready for school. Oh! Okay. Snow is not soft as I thought. Oh, jeez. Now, most people will see this snow and be like, yeah, bro, there's a thick thing of snow. Don't get on top of that. But it got so cold over the night that I could literally step on top of it and just be standing. Literally, I'm not even falling. But at the same time, if I stop too hard, I fall in. You see? I just think it's really cool.